Hi, first grade. I don't know about y'all, but we've been playing a lot of Uno recently. So we have an Uno deck. That's something that you're going to need. And really, that's about it. We're going to play Uno Fitness. And I sent you a sheet that says what each color means. So Izzy and I are going to play Uno Fitness. And we're going to draw a card. Okay, Izzy, draw a card. So a green 2 means that we're going to do 2 sit-ups. Green is sit-ups, red is invisible jump rope, blue is star jumps, and yellow are mountain climbers. So you're going to draw, and it's going to tell you how many you're going to do. If you draw a wild card, you can make up your own exercise. So Izzy drew a 2 green, and so what is green? Sit-ups. We're going to do 2 sit-ups. 1, 2, okay? Now I'm going to draw 4 red. So 4 red are invisible jump ropes. And it's going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Izzy's turn. Hello. Oh, 2 blue. Yes. So 2 star jumps. I'm sorry. Ready? 1, 2. Okay, my turn. 4 yellow. So we are going to do 4 mountain climbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, first grade, get your Uno cards, have some fitness, and have fun with it. Have a great summer. I miss y'all. I can't wait to see you in the fall.